What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got episode 5 at this week at NLD. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So guys, it's Monday morning now. We've got a busy week ahead of us. First up, we had the Mercedes C-Class from the team over at Approved. That was just in for a quick wash, so that's been done and gone back over there. Toby's just leaving the studio now. Swearing at me, so he's just leaving the studio now. He's taken the Renault Wind wheels to get refurbished. Other than the Wind, we've got Callum here driving out the Mustang. So this is Manda's Mustang. It's fully turboed. It's an absolutely stunning car. This has been in for some ceramic coatings from I think 2 places, as it's had some work done. But yeah, this is a fantastic car. This has been collected today from the owner. So, other than the Mustang, we've got this Renault Wind in. So, this was in for headlight restoration. As you can see, they're looking stunning at the moment. There is a post on the Instagram for this, so if you're not following on the Instagram, make sure to go ahead and drop us a follow. Got some good content out on there. So now the headlights are looking all good. The wheels have gone off now to get refurbished. So whilst the wheels are being refurbished, we're also going to do the calipers for them. So yeah, they're not looking the best at the moment, but once we're finished with them, they should be looking all good. So that's what's going on at the moment. Once I've got an update for you, I'll get back to you. Right, it's a little later now. We've made some good progress so far. We've had the C-Class in from Approved, as well as the C-Class. They also brought down a A35 AMG as well. So both of them was in for an exterior detail, as we always do for them. Other than those cars, we've had the Urban Defender brought up from Luke at Approved as well. So Callum's just having a sing-song, bless him. So yeah, this is in for our level 1 package, as well as some PPF. So this has now been cleaned. Callum's brought it into the studio. So he's going to begin the polishing on that. As I mentioned, Manda's Mustang, so that's still here at the moment. That's being collected this afternoon from the owner, and then just the Renault Wind still here as well. So we're waiting for the wheels to be coated on that as well. They're the main jobs for today, so if there's an update later on, I'll get back to you. Right, good morning guys, it's now Tuesday. Let's show you what we've got going on. First up, the Land Rover Defender. So Callum's made some good progress on the polishing on this. So I believe this side is almost there. And we've obviously got to go around the rest of the car. The Renault Wind, so the wheels should be being picked up maybe today or tomorrow. But Toby's going to start on the calipers, I believe, today. As you can see. It's all lifted up on the jack at the moment. Other than the Renault Wind, we have the Audi RS5. So I don't know if you've seen this video on the channel already, but there is a video out on this. So this is just back at the studio for its free maintenance wash. So with all our protection packages, we do offer a free maintenance wash, which this customer is taking advantage of. You do have the choice, if you want to stay here and let us show you how we wash cars, just to make sure that the owner knows the best possible way to maintain their car. So once that's all cleaned up, that can be collected by the customer. Callum's in there just waiting for the buckets to fill. But yeah, the main job for the day really is just getting this Urban Defender in a better position. So I don't know if I have mentioned it on the vlog yet, but we are based in the Midlands, so if you're looking to get your car protected at all, or even if it is just in need of a good wash, you're more than welcome to bring it over to us. We do specialise in ceramic coatings and PPF, so if that's what you're looking for, we're also able to do that as well. So that's what we've got going on at the moment. They're the main jobs for today. When there's an update, I'll get back to you. Right guys, it's towards the end of Tuesday now, but we made some very good progress. Let me show you around. So first up, the Urban Defender. Callum's made some good progress on the polishing on this. So a lot of the car now he's gone round and polished. So hopefully we can get the coatings on this tomorrow now. If you have a look, it's looking a lot better. This was the wheel cover that came with the car, so if you have a look, at this corner, looking fantastic compared to the rest of the wheel. But that's the sort of level of correction we can achieve here. Other than the Urban, the Renault Wind. So Toby started with the calipers on this. Just been using one of these wire brushes to get all the rust and stuff off of them, but once that's all done, we can start painting them. I forgot to mention on the Defender, we're also going to be painting these calipers. So if you have a look at them at the moment, they're unpainted, but we're going to be either putting the Urban crest on it or the Urban lettering, but we're going to have to see how it looks once the wheels are off and calipers have been painted. Other than that, the RS5 is still here. So as mentioned, this was here for just its maintenance wash. So that's just waiting for the customer to collect that. And finally, other than the RS5, familiar car here on the channel is the Porsche Taycan Turbo Cross Turismo. So the owner of this car is set up with our monthly direct debit scheme, so he can bring this to us as many times as he wants each month, because he's already paid for that. But yeah, what a stunning car, and especially after our Ceramic Pro package, it's a lot easier to clean now. So yeah, the Porsche is the last main job of the day really, just waiting for the customer to collect that one. Then I believe maybe Toby's going to be staying on over this evening to get the Renault Wind done. So yeah, that's it for Tuesday. I'll pick the vlog back up with you tomorrow and show you what we've got going on. So guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the vlog. It's Wednesday now, so let's show you what we've got going on. First up, the Audi RS5 is still with us, as you've seen previously. So that's just waiting to be collected by the customer. The Renault wind wheels have come back from refurbishment. So I'm just applying Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper to these wind wheels. Then they can go back on the car. Toby stayed a bit later on last night to get the calipers painted. So as you can see, they're looking all good. So yeah, as soon as the wheels have been coated, we can get them back on the car. Then this Renault can be collected by the customer as well. As soon as that's off the ramp, we can go ahead and put the Urban on there, get the wheels off, get them fully cleaned, then we can coat them also. That's what we've got going on so far. I'll get back with you later on with an update. So, welcome back to the vlog. It's now Thursday. Let's show you what we've got going on. So, the main job we've been focusing on today is this Urban Defender, as you've seen. So, we've gone ahead and put the 9H on it now. So, paint correction's all done. Actually, I've not showed you these yet. So, if you have a look, Toby did the calipers last night. These are looking stunning. So, these look much better than how they came to us, as you can see. We've added the branding on the caliper as well. So, the owner's really happy with this. He came over and had a look this morning. Yeah, they're looking all good. So the multi-stage paint correction's all done. A single layer of 9H has been applied, and we're just leaving this to cure for a few hours, and then we can go ahead and apply the top coat. Other than the Defender, mainly focusing on some white labelling. So as I mentioned before, we are able to offer white label detailing products. So have a look, no label on at the moment. So yeah, as you've just seen, all the products are there in the box, waiting for them to be labelled up. So if that's something you're potentially interested in, get in touch and we can send you over the prices for them. Very competitive. So yeah, that's the main jobs for today, guys. Don't forget, if you do need any detailing products, we have our own range of detailing products. So we have over 15 bespoke different products for all your detailing needs. If you head over to nldcc.co.uk, you can get all the products there. As you can see in this order here. for today really. I'll catch back up with you tomorrow. So welcome back to the vlog. It's now the end of the week, it's Friday, so let's show you what we've got going on. So first up, we've been doing some white label stuff. So all these products here, these are not branded at the moment. So when we get the branding sent over by the customer, we can get them added for them. So other than that, we've been printing off some stickers for one of our customers. So we had an order for about 250 stickers. So they've been printed off and packaged up now and being sent over today. Other than that, we've been working on this Jaguar eyepiece. So this is just in for one of our exterior valets at the customer wants to give it a good wash before he thinks about potentially having some ceramic coatings and PPF. Give the car a good valet today and let the owner see the quality of our work. So yeah, that's what we've got going on this morning. I'll give you an update when we've got one. So guys, it's the end of Friday now. That's this week all done. Other than the Jaguar eyepiece, today we've just been cleaning up the studio really, getting it in a good position for next week. So yeah, that's all. It's all clean in the studio now. The boss has found us some Christmas hats, so me and Callum have just been wearing these today. But yeah, if you need any detailing products, don't forget to head over to the store. And that's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.